In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the simple process of submitting a photo to Agent Insight using a web browser. Now we have another video that's on the blog that shows you how to submit a picture using your iPhone. But in this case, we're going to show you how to use it if you're just using a regular browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer while you're at home on your desktop or on your iPad. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to www.agentinsight.net, click the blue button that says Login through Main Street, and then from here you just put in your Main Street credentials and type in Login. Now when you log into the site, you'll notice a couple of things. First of all, you're going to go directly to your profile page, which is going to be where you have your information, your photograph. You'll have a chance right here as an agent to click a button that will allow you to put in your actual profile that you want to type up about yourself. Your photo and your contact information you see are all going to be pulled from Lead Street, so you want to make sure that you have that information in there correctly. So you'll also notice that your default market area, which in this case for me is Remax Rochester, and it'll say welcome Paul in this case. Your name would be right there after you've signed in. So anytime you're submitting any submission to Agent Insight, you always want to start from the most accurate location. So I'll show you what I mean by that. So from here you would go to Explore Places to Live. And on this Explore screen, this is where you'd start out to find the location of the area that you wanted to submit in. It could be a city, it could be a county, it could be a school district or a subdivision. Now you'll notice on the map you do have a couple of areas that are clickable where you could actually click and say go to Rochester and explore Rochester if that's where you wanted to go. Now not all of the locations are going to have a place on the map, and that's okay. As I said, there are several different ways that you can find your location. You could go over here to the right hand side and find the city that you're looking for. In this case, we're going to actually put an Insight in Penfield, New York. So I could go over here and I could, go straight to Penfield, but in my case, I want to go ahead and just go straight to the community that I'm looking for, which is Bridle Path. So you just start typing the name of the subdivision or the city, and it should pop up in the list. Now, if it doesn't pop up in the list in the correct location, that's where what we're going to want to ask you to do is to click on this Report a Missing or Duplicate Location, where you can actually tell us where the community is that's either missing or in the wrong location. So in this case, Bridle Path is there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Go, which takes me to the Bridle Path subdivision, where I can see that several other agents have, or one other agent has submitted some information. So I am going to submit a photo. Now the mobile app is great because it allows you to do this as you're going anywhere. If you're driving around or walking around and you see something, you can easily take a picture and upload it to agentinsight.net. One of the reasons that I like the desktop app is because you may have a variety of pictures already on your computer that you haven't even thought about, that you could sit here and just click one at a time and upload them to different places. So in our case, we're going to go ahead and click on Submit a Photo. And from here, I'm just going to choose a file, navigate to the directory where the picture is that you want to upload, in which case I'm right here, and I'm going to click on Open. Now you will notice that over here on the right hand side there is a list of guidelines for photo submissions. I would definitely, if you haven't before, take a chance or take a moment to actually read through that. This is going to be the information that's going to help get your submission go and process in a timely manner. A biggie is that you want to make sure that the photo's in landscape orientation, not in portrait orientation. So, that the photo's side to side. Please don't modify it. Put any kind of watermarks or text on it, even the date stamp of the camera. and submit them at the highest possible resolution, and we'll do the resizing for you. So here I've got this beautiful picture, and I am going to add a caption to the photo. And you know, you could easily just say house in bridle path, right? But you know, that's not very descriptive. So why not just take a little bit of extra time and think of something that, you know, maybe just a little bit more descriptive and say, for example, we could say a typical home in bridle path, decked out and ready for spring. And then I just hit submit. And boom, and that's it. That is how easy it is to upload a photo to agentinsight.net. Now from here, you have a couple different options. You could go back to the Bridal Path community page. You could edit your photo caption, thinking, okay, well, maybe I want to change that for some reason. Or you could go ahead, you could add another photo of the current area, or you could go to your profile page. And if you wanted to go to another place altogether, just click on Explore Places to Live, and that's it. That is how simple it is to upload a photo to agentinsight.net.